Hello, how are you all? Hope all fine. Today I tell about you how you can earn free ZeroCoin without investment every mint. For giveaway, post your comment with Shiba Inu address. Please open link from description without wasting time. After open scroll website, please copy your ZeroCoin address from wallet and paste it on tab your Zero wallet address. After paste address, click on enter and earn Zero. And click now get Zero. So some wait and watch ad and click skip ad. I see Zero in the sky. Let's fly. Please click on fly to sky. Some wait and for collect coin please click take Zero. For withdraw, click on withdraw button and fill captcha and click on direct. So wait 2 minutes your withdraw received. You can check your wallet.